All right. So let's say now we are searching, okay, allpeoplebook.com or allpeopledata.com. Okay, now I would say in URL www.allpeopledata.com / I would say country. Which country? Okay. Otherwise, let's keep the pattern like this in a backend. Okay, it is country folder first. Once you get into the country folder, then we have state. Once we get into the state folder, then we have what we say cities. City. Again, once I get into the city folder, again I need, okay, from that area or pin code. Pin code. Okay, once we get into that particular pin code, then we go, okay, fine, we need that street. Once we get into that particular street, okay, fine, I need that house number. This is how actually the URLs are structured. So we need to identify, let's say I need a people data of in that particular city, whole city, not just this house number. I need a people data who are staying in that the complete street, or I need a people data who are staying in that complete city. I would say, okay, this is something pin code. After the city, there are hundreds of pin code. So, but I need a data of the entire city. So, okay, fine. I would go and remove let Anju answer it now. Okay. So now let's say here now we are targeting in URL www.allpeopledata.com. Okay. Now let's say we are targeting one particular website which is called allpeopledata.com. Let's assume in which we have the global data of each and every human being or animals, whatever. So in that case, what we say, okay, fine, let's go for in URL first allpeopledata.com / the here would be the list of in the database. Here would be the list of hundreds of countries. Once the list of hundreds of countries, then there would be the list of states. After coming to the country, I'm going to the state. After coming to the state, I'm going to that particular city. After going to that particular city, I'm going to that pin code. After going to that pin code, I'm going to that street. After going to that street, I'm going to the house number. It's similarly, how do you visit your friend's place? Let's say you're visiting your friend's place from one country to another country. How are you visiting? From one state to another state, how are you visiting? From one city to another city, how are you visiting? Not just by looking at the Google. Okay, of course, we have a Google Maps, but how exactly? How this is the path looks like? First, you go to that country, you catch a flight, go to that country. From that country, again, if you want to travel to some of the state, first of all, you directly see in that city has an airport or not, and directly catch a flight here to that particular state. But let's say in that country only one airport is there and the state is somewhere far from that airport, then you would go first end up in that first country. Then airplane journey is over. From airplane, now you take a train and say that, okay, fine, give me a ticket to that particular state. You come to the state. After coming to the state, you say, okay, fine, I want to go to that particular city. Is there any bus or a train facility available? Whatever the facility is available, you go to the city. After coming to that city, you catch a cab and say that, okay, fine, I just wanted to go for this particular pin code, and then give the complete address. Okay, this is the pin code, this is a street number, this is a house number. Then cab driver will take you to that pin code first for that area. After that, you'll be searching for that particular street by owning your Google Maps. Once you go to the owning your Google Maps to that particular street, if all houses are same, and if you don't see the number, then you would call your friend, or your friend say, hey, you know what, I'm in a washroom, but I'm sharing you the location. Okay, or I'm cooking and I'm sharing you the location. Fine, you just take a location and come, and that's where the cab drops here. And now let's say similarly in the same example, if I wanted the data of all those people in that particular city, directly I would remove these three from here, because those three are unstructured. Again, those three I don't know. I don't want only from the pin code of 100. I want a pin code from 1 to 1000. So, but in that particular city, I would keep it till here, and then additional keywords. Then it becomes the search like this. Any doubt, any confusion, or too confusing, or too complex?
I think I'll have to repeat the entire course this time.
Why? What
Ashif,
happened?
for what you have given this example, like people, country, state,
So
it
this
is you
is
have given
just to
for.
help us understand how these URLs are structured for the particular website. Now let's say, okay, let's say here resume. Okay, all these resumes, right? Okay, now how these URLs are structured. Now resume is here, the entire stuff is here. How this basically URLs are structured, understanding. Okay, like if you see here, www.slideshare.net is a main folder, / username, / title, and then the alphanumeric number. As I was telling, let's say if we go to LinkedIn, linkedin.com / feed is a first folder. So linkedin.com is a main folder, / feed is a second. Let's say I go to my network. So instead of linkedin.com / feed, I got linkedin.com, my network. Now here is a data which is of a my network. Now from my network, I would go for contacts. Once I click on contacts, here is a data, my network / import contact or a saved contacts. If I just go, okay, now again, if I go, I want only Google contacts. Okay, here the URL is not defined. This is built in, but wherein, let's go back again, my network. Okay, from my network, I need to see the number of groups I'm following, linkedin.com / my network, and then I click on a groups. So it become immediately a groups. Going back to that, let's say connections. So linkedin.com / my network, linkedin.com was a main folder, / my network was a subfolder, invite, connect, or connections is a sub to subfolder. So understanding the URL path, the entire URL part, what we are understanding. Let's say now going on to some other example, how will I give you? Okay, let's take this LinkedIn only. So every LinkedIn, okay, now if you see every LinkedIn profile, here is a dark part, which is a main folder, / in, then / username. This is the dark part, which is a main folder, / in, / username, first name hyphen last name hyphen some alphanumeric number. LinkedIn.com / in, / first name hyphen last name some alphanumeric number. LinkedIn.com / in, / first name hyphen last name. LinkedIn.com / in, / user ID. Basically, the person has customized. So now let's say we would say now we need in URL, the first command, we need a profile of www.linkedin.com till / in, it was constant. So I would say I would remove this, because after in, there are lakhs and millions and crores of names. I can't just target only one name and get only one result. Rather, I would target those lakhs and millions of names. All right, we just go with first command in URL www.linkedin.com / in / or just / in. Now in title, colon, open the bracket, software engineer, software developer, programmer, close the bracket. Now same Java or C++ or Python or Golang, close the bracket. Now we know linkedin.com/in is only for the individual profiles. So that minus jobs, I would not do that, because we know sure shot folder is linkedin.com/in for the individual profiles. All right, so we got first 30 results, then repeat the search with vomited results. We got some millions of results. Now let's say I'm coming to linkedin.com, I'm going to jobs. So this looks like linkedin.com/jobs. So in URL www.linkedin.com/in for individual profiles. If I do this as a jobs, then we got only jobs results. All the list of jobs which belongs to as a title software engineer or software developer or software programmer, and which has Java or C++ or Python or Golang. If not jobs, I don't want jobs. While I'm searching for job, I'll go in URL www.linkedin.com/jobs. I'll get the list of jobs, and then recruiter or talent acquisition or a sourcer, I would get the list of jobs and I apply. Once I get into the job, now I need to search for a candidate. I would say, okay, fine. Now I'm searching for a software engineer or software developer or software programmer, linkedin.com/, instead of jobs, I would say for candidate, I would use in. And yeah, we have a list of individual profiles. Now coming here, okay, San Francisco Bay Area. Okay, we need a software engineer, San Francisco Bay Area. We just take the San Francisco Bay Area as it is. Go back here, come back here. Java or C++ or Python or Golang. Within the double quotes, San Francisco Bay Area. And yeah, we have like Mountain View, California, and some of the results. So if you see Princeton, New Jersey, this person might have been in the past. As I mentioned, this is a text part, which is unstructured data. Okay, even this is a text part, the location part, which is again unstructured. So it's trying to show, okay, fine, these are the locations where these results are. So these people might have worked in past in San Francisco Bay Area. Let's say Dhaval Patel, currently in Princeton, New Jersey, but previously would have worked. I would cover in future how to get only from that specific job. I don't want to confuse you now, but to keep it simple, first to understand in URL part. About that, getting the person from that location, we would definitely cover in the future in very coming soon section. But let's now focus only on the in URL part. Why it is important to understand that in URL. Now if you see, okay, youtube.com/code basics. Let's say in URL www.youtube.com/ what was that? C. Okay. First, if we do only for C, we got many channels, many individual channels. Okay. Let's say this person's channel /code basics. What videos they would have hosted? /code basics. So these are the 3 videos the person would have hosted on a YouTube under the code basics. So let me just repeat. Okay, 10 videos. Let's say go here. Okay, so yeah, these are all the videos. So playlist. So for this, it would be different. Under the code basics, how many videos? Not really sure how to see that. Okay, let's say now code basics, this is about page. So when I say about page on a code basics, okay. So I want some influencers like this who are hosting hosting, such kind of a discussions. Anyone can code. Okay. So go. Come here. In URL. So here, what else? Joined Dhaval Patel, software engineer. All right. In URL, youtube.com/code basics. This is for him. When we click on what we say, when we click on about, we came youtube.com/c/code basics/about. If we come to channels, okay, this person has subscribed awesome channels that he has subscribed to. If we come to community, code basics is username. And if we come to community, and these are all the communities, is in playlist, code basics. This is a playlist of him. Created a playlist one. How many? View full list 2, 3, 4. Some 28, 16, 15, and all. All right. If we click on videos, these are the videos the person would have uploaded. If you come home,
I'm going to talk about the
this is the home. All right. So similarly, we need some gurus like that. We click on about, youtube.com/c. So let's say in URL :www.youtube.com. So this C or D or code basics, I don't know. So I would use not two in URLs. In URL youtube.com, in URL about. And we want those software engineers. So here is a software engineer. I'm not even using in title, just the direct full-fledged keywords. Okay, and then does the person mention the language? Just a second, someone entered. Okay, location, United States. Again, second command, United States or India. Okay, software developer talks, Rakesh Malik, pseudocode, Aditya Rajiv, Mayuko, Java Techie. Okay, now we'll understand that second subfolder. Okay, youtube.com/c. First, YouTube is a main folder. Under that, if some, is it constant for everyone? Okay, youtube.com/c. Yes, youtube.com channel it is. There is no C. Okay, chalo. We would not use C or a channel. Okay, youtube.com/c. youtube.com/c Java Techie/about. youtube.com/c. It's okay. We just by using two in URLs, in URL youtube.com space and in URL about, because about is for the individual profiles. We are getting it, and that's where we are able to see we have all the individual profiles. We can actually source from YouTube also. These peoples who are talking about coding interview preparation, system design interview preparation, backend engineering, computer science, computer software, distributed systems. There's a way to view email address. In future we'll cover. I would not confuse now with it. Okay, just view and do the verification. You are able to see the email addresses. So this much text is decent enough. And once I go to her videos, I would know that, oh my God, she knows so much. She's sharing so much. She must be really great. So what I'm trying to help understand is like how to analyze the URL pattern for the individual profiles or a job or any of the content what we're looking out for. So that's where it is. So like in URL, we just did resume or CV. We don't know which sites to search for. So as you asked me, which are the other sites that we can search for? So I said, I don't know which are the other sites. There are lakhs and millions of sites. So instead of top 10, we just kept in URL resume. Now let's say in URL, we just go resume hyphen. There's one use case of in URL. Whenever we are using in URL, we are not using space because there is no URL on the entire web page, on the entire www. On the entire World Wide Web, there is no URL which has a space. URL, if you're writing in URL resume, immediately that or, there is no space before or after or. This is only the use case for the in URL. We'll cover in detail tomorrow, but not today. Today, we'll only focus on what is in URL, how to analyze the URL pattern, and what we can give in an URL. So 38, again, repeat the search results with vomited results. So now again from top 12, top 12, top 12, top 12, top 12. So many from top 12. Okay, now if you say CV.iv, some site of CV.iv, and then again individual profiles, CV.ee, GitHub, URL resumes there, vacancies, CV.ee. So we have a lakhs of sites where we don't know, means it's completely open-ended. Imagine a situation you entered into the new market and you don't know from where to source from. This is the best platform to explore which all the platforms are available in that market in URL. I'll take a pause. Any doubts, confusion? I know it might be confusing or it might be difficult, but that's completely fine. That's how it is. Unless we don't start practicing, we would not be able to come up with the questions. The day when we're coming up with number of questions, that means we are on a right track. We are practicing up, we are learning up right. And that's only the reason we are coming across those questions and asking. So please feel free to ask as many as questions possible instead of being on mute. Any doubts, any confusion? Sorry guys, I have so many dogs around my place, so they're making noise. But otherwise, please, is it clear, not clear? What is in URL, what is in title, how to analyze the URL pattern? Anyways, we'll have tomorrow one more session, the dive deep on in URL, analyzing URL patterns and analyzing title patterns, because this is really important. These starting 3 to 4 sessions are really, really important. Yeah, Purnima.
Shiv, one more question, maybe, but I would like to ask.
Give me a second.
What is the between when we use in URL and a site?
Site will come later. Site will come later.
Okay, fine.
Let's go step by step. Otherwise we'll get confused. I'm telling you.
Sure.
We'll go step by step. We'll cover in detail.
Okay.
The doc
done.
contains everything. If you see here, okay, so if you see here, it contains everything. Okay, so this is people also search for in text, in title and all, then related, then colon, then calling, in text, then Google search filters, inbox, then X-ray, then here is in URL versus site. So we still have a time, maybe another 2 to 3 days.
Sure.
There's a huge lot of content. If we really cover this entire content, I really doubt, but if we can cover till 7th of Jan, the entire content, it should be the excellent achievement. But I really doubt, because that DIDIP is really required, because unless this first 5-6 classes, unless till here, if things are not clear, the rest other is waste. But if we clearly cover till here, it's amazing. Rest other you can do a self-exploratory.
Yeah, agreed.
Till here, it's really important. The starting ones till here, till 17, 18 topic, it's very, very important. After that, you will start loving it. You'll start doing all the day and night. You'll start researching. Rest other is all you can do by yourself. Just 1 month sessions. In each session, we can cover 2. Fatafat, this we can run. This everything I can cover within 1 week. But the most important is till here.
Basic foundation, very important. It's a foundation, for the sourcing.
Foundation, the basics are really, really important. If those are not clear, we attend number of time also, we can't be clear.
Shiv, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Shiv, if in case, we are covering between almost close to 2 hours in this class. In case, in a day, you have 1 more hour extra. Any hour in the morning session also, will help us to cover all the topics within specified time.
Morning would be difficult here. I sleep at around 2-3 o'clock.
Got it. No, it's just, I'm just checking, it is like,
No. Even I have some other personal works going on. So
yeah.
After this session,
No,
then
that is true.
you've seen like all the time midnights you're getting.
Shravan, you are pressuring shift.
Yep.
Morning would be possible.
That's fine, Shiv.
So what you
Morning
do
or-
is like, say, whatever the content we covered today evening, do the practice till tomorrow. Till tomorrow before we start the session also. Let's say, I know midnight, some people might do, might not do. That's completely fine. Once you wake up tomorrow, or whenever you have a time tomorrow afternoon or before joining the session, go through the videos, what has been covered last night, and do by yourself some practice, some half an hour, 1 hour of practice. And then immediately once you join a question, you'll start asking the questions.
Very true, Shiv.
So if you're not asking a question, I clearly know that you're not practicing. Honestly, I'm telling. I've seen a lot of people. But if
That's
someone is
absolutely right, Shiv.
huh?
That is absolutely right.
Yeah. If you're practicing, I'm sure 1000% you're going to come up with the doubts and you're going to ask. And I would be really happy to answer lakhs of questions if you want. But ask, not just only in the session. Once the session is complete, revisit the video or revisit the doc, everything we are covering, and then do some practice, and then you'll have some questions we'll cover. Note it down, those questions. Take a screenshot. Show me, note it down, those searches, copy paste and note down those searches in some doc. Take a screenshot, tell that, okay, fine, I was trying to do this. This is a screenshot. This is how it came. This was the string. This is the URL. Completely, you copy paste it and tell me why it is, if it is working, not working. You start discussion in a group here. We have a people, they'll help you. They'll tell you immediately. If I'm also not available, there are people who will directly tell you, you know what, in this string, this is wrong, this is right. So start posting in a group. Let's say you give a search, but if you feel that this search is whether correct or not correct, if you have a doubt, post it into the group. There are people who will help you. It's not just me. We have a huge community. Tomorrow, when you become a perfect, you start helping others.
True, Shiv.
That's why we have almost now 10 groups.
Yeah, Shiv. Completely agree.
All right, I'll just take a pause. As I mentioned, let's recover again the same thing. In URL is really important.
Thank you, Shiv.
Just a second. Where is it? So let's see. Okay, so let's say this is our WhatsApp group link. So what is a black part here? Chat.whatsapp.com / something. Let's see in URL chat.whatsapp, and this might be completely unconstant. Monster, okay, it's not there, but there's a way where we can actually, maybe this person has mentioned something in URL now. Let's do. Okay, Java developer, there are WhatsApp groups. Earlier, WhatsApp was allowing us to X-ray. I think now it's not. But otherwise, we could see the list of groups on a WhatsApp. We can X-ray the list of groups of WhatsApp. So now it's not allowing. It's not allowing now. WhatsApp CV and all.
Same we can try with Telegram also.
Huh?
Same we can try with Telegram also.
Anything. If that particular site is allowing, which site is allowing, not allowing, maybe future I'll cover, not now. It will confuse. Let's add to the agenda. Identifying which sites. How to identify. How to know if that will cover in future. Anyways, coming back to today's session, any further doubts, questions, or anything? Is it easy? Is it hard? Am I failing to explain you, or am I explaining you right?
Today was very excellent session, Shiv. Frankly speaking, was very clear, and I think this is most important foundation for especially doing X research.
Yeah, that's basics are really important. That's why I'm stressing so much on the basics. Moving fast doesn't make sense.
Absolutely.
I can present some PPTs. We can move fast. Chalo, ho gaya training. Forget about it. No, it doesn't make sense. If we are doing the best.
Hello.
Yeah, Dinesh.
Sure. URL part I am not getting today safely.
What?
URL part.
Not getting.
URL part, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I am not getting it clearly.
Got it. No problem. Tomorrow we'll cover once again. Then we'll see.
It's a little bit I am getting it.
Yeah.
Not
Go through the videos. Tonight I'll upload the videos. Go through the videos once more. Try understanding and do some practice. In case if you still don't get it, I would strongly say go through the videos tomorrow. Spend as much as possible time to practice. Just pause a video, write the same string, try understanding. So what I'm saying, see, as soon as you write a string, analyze the result. You write a string, analyze the result. Write a string, analyze the result. Write a string, analyze the result. What is coming? Okay, URL kaisa hai? How is the URL structured? Which is a constant part? Which is a non-constant part? Write a string, analyze the result.
तो बातचीत का दायरा थोड़ा बदलता चला गया, लेकिन वो भी अपने आप में एक चीज अच्छी थी.
Which movie? Anju?
जितने लोगों को एक साथ अगर बुलाना चाहो कई बार नहीं हो पाता है.
All right. So do some practice, go through the videos, do some practice. Come back tomorrow. We'll again do some dive deep on in URL part. But otherwise, for now, Google gives us a results for every result. Google shows us a result in a 3 different part: URL part, title part, text part. URL. Once we open any of the result, once we click here, we have two things. One is dark and one is light. The dark is central library, main folder. So we need to give that always in URL first dark folder and give additional keywords, scan rest of the result and analyze, is there any subfolder which is in a gray / like C or channel is a subfolder, / C is a subfolder, / channel is a subfolder, or here / in is a subfolder, here / in is a subfolder. After that subfolder, you have a sub to subfolder where the individual profiles are there. So up to subfolder I'm going. Rest, when the individual profile first name, last name is coming, I'm excluding that in this case, in LinkedIn case. In this case, once I click on about, then we would be able to see those profile details. That's reason we took this about. We removed these two. So in URL youtube.com space in URL about we used, so that we get the profiles of all the people who are hosting the videos on YouTube. And then we give location, India and US, and then we give software engineer or software developer or software programmer. So it's somewhere here in the page of about. So analyzing a web page, analyzing a URL pattern, analyzing a title part, analyzing a content on a web, that is where the most importance comes in. Once we are able to get there, then that's it. We can write a number of strings. Yeah, Sharma, you want to say something?
Yeah, sure. My question to you is that, so I understood like,
Voice is losing, we are losing Sharma.
is it okay now?
Yeah, please share.
So in URL, you are using it to address the specific site.
Yes.
And again, this is a constant one. And in URL, about is a subfolder which talks about, the channel's person name or like channel name. Hello.
URL, you can use it for anything. Whatever
Okay.
you see, okay, this thing is appearing in the URL, and I want something like this. Put in URL resume CV, in URL youtube.com, in URL about, in URL anything. In URL you can use it for anything.